If you're watching this video now, I'm simply assuming that you've already watched my previous one wherein I revealed that I received a job offer from Germany in the month of July this year, except there was one catch that the job was starting 6 months later, that is January of next year, which left me in a bit of a pickle. The thing is that this job was at a startup company and a lot can change over a period of 6 months. Personally, I have seen things change at a startup overnight. So as a safety net, I started looking for more jobs. Wasn't in a rush or anything, and I was specifically targeting Canada so I could be closer to my boyfriend in Boston. And I remember in September, I was scrolling on the Canadian Indeed website and I came across another cultivated meat startup, which is my specialization. And I came across a job posting that was relevant to me. So I applied for it and I heard back the same day. Next thing I know, I'm speaking to the CEO, just doing an introduction, and he asked me how can I work in Canada with an Indian passport. So I suggested the global talent stream method of sponsorship, which he agreed to do because he had some lawyer contacts. And then he was like, oh, do you know French? Because this is a very French city. And I was like, actually, I have an A2 certificate in French. So that's not a problem at all. First interview went really well. He asked me a lot of technical questions. He asked me a lot of behavioral questions. I could see that he was visibly impressed. Then I left the US and I continued to stay in touch with him and I continued to interview with him. And the next thing I know, I'm giving a second interview, I'm giving a third interview, I'm giving a fourth interview with the exact same person, which I found to be a bit strange. Anyways, I don't really think much. All I know is that I want this job because it puts me in Montreal, a big city, which is also very close to Boston, where my boyfriend lives. ऊपर से वो Germany वाली city was a very small city, the closest airport being 4 hours away, which puts me in a very difficult spot if I want to fly out to see my boyfriend or to see my family. Also, did I mention, even after the 100K H1B rule, finding a sponsored job in the US is 10 times easier than finding housing in Germany, because भाई मेरे को घर ही नहीं मिल रहा था, मेरे एम्प्लॉयर भी मेरे लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं, उनको भी नहीं मिल रहा. मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं भाई, जर्मनी तो अब नहीं जाया जाएगा. And the deadline was inching closer. The German company was about to apply for my visa, so I panicked. And वहाँ 6 इंटरव्यू हो चुके थे मेरे कनाडा की कंपनी के साथ. उन्होंने मुझे फिर भी जवाब नहीं दिया था. So I told them, listen, I have another job offer. I need an answer by this date, and that obviously worked. So the CEO invited me on another call to negotiate my salary and terms and conditions. So the thing is, I had told him that I was making $75,000 in Chicago in the US, and I told the German company the same thing, and the German company matched that salary in euros. So I was expecting these people would also match the salary in Canadian dollars. Salary को लेके हमने बहुत back and forth किया. उसमें मुझे भी थोड़ी सी इक हो गई because I don't like to fight for my worth, and this time I was not a beggar. I already had an offer with a higher salary. He finally gave me a number that I liked, and as a cherry on top, he also threw company shares on the table. So now I had the offer that I wanted in Canada.